Tutorials. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use MiraiMind Real Otaku Energy. So basically this is Japanese role play. So how to use this app? So first of all you need to install, then tap the open button. So welcome to MiraiMind. So you have to select your race. So I just keep, and who are you interested in, so you can choose your interesting, and then you can see here this is the interface. It's really easy. So it's free chat. Like if you want to create your account, you can come here, you can create your account, sign with Google. It's really easy. You can try Apple also. So I already tapped my account, so you can see it's really easy to use. So you can see here Japanese version. So you can find here chat. You can swipe right to get more character. So it's too much. So and okay, I'm just going to, you can see here, if you tap here, then you'll find here the app. It's all are Japanese, so you can talk with Japanese girl, and this is your profile. So once you like any app, then simply tap here. I'm just going to tap something. It's okay. Chat. So you can type here hi. So actually it's really easy to use this app. Like it's really basic, and if you want to customize your profile, go here, tap the pencil icon, and then you can change your name, gender, everything. It's not needed. So actually you can also create your own character, so you can try.